Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about idioms with meanings. Idiom of the day, the jewel in the crown. If something is the jewel in the crown, it's part of a group or set of similar things and it's the best of them all. For example, Sydney's Opera House is the jewel in the crown of modern Australian architecture. A cloud on the horizon, a problem or difficulty that is likely to happen in the future. For example, the only cloud on the horizon is the physics exam in June. I'm sure I'll do fine in all the others. Talk turkey, to discuss something honestly and directly. For example, okay Bob, we have a business to discuss. Let's talk turkey. Excuse, pardon my French. Use an apology for using rude or offensive language. For example, he is a dash if you'll excuse my French. A brick wall, used for saying that someone does not listen or react to you when you talk. For example, I've tried to discuss my feelings with her, but it's like talking to a brick wall. Have a bee in one's bonnet, to keep talking about something again and again because you think. For example, she never stops talking about dieting. She's got a real bee in her bonnet about it. Like turkeys voting for an early Christmas, to choose to accept a situation that will have very bad results for you in the future. For example, it would be like turkeys voting for Christmas if people ask for transport prices in London to rise. A cat in gloves catches no mice, meaning if you are too careful and polite, you may not obtain what you want. For example, negotiate carefully, but remember, a cat in gloves catches no mice. Icon to never miss any update. Thank you so much for watching.